So let's dive a little bit about into kind of the tools around your process, right? So Agile, you're obviously using Jira for that. No surprise. By the way, I later show you how we're using Datamir to analyze Jira and doing things that are just outstanding with predicting release dates and analyzing weak spots, combining that with GitHub, Jira, GitHub, and then our test suite. Anyhow, so obviously I assume you run your sprints in Jira, but help us to understand kind of what's your technology stack that you implementing all of this with, or tool stack, not as deep technology, but
right. Yeah. So, I mean, again, if you really think about where it starts off, which is trying to shorten the cycle between activity and business outcome, that's happening.
Time to insight,
yes,
shorten the time to insight.
Yes, shorten the time to insight. The idea then is to be able to get into the hands of the frontline folks the tools that they need, the data that they need. From a marketing perspective, that means, as we've discussed, like trying to understand the customer journey from the day they heard about us till the point that they're engaging with us in product. In the marketing world, that means getting data from all of these different tools in different formats, different vendors, different frequencies, bringing all of that data together, and then in effect creating an abstraction so that other folks can access this data and derive insight from it.
So you guys creating a data model?
Yes.
Or are you doing schema on read or schema on write approach?
So we get all of this information. We run our, we use sort of like S3 as our primary source of truth at the end of the day, and then we have, they'll use Hadoop, they'll use MapReduce, they'll use Presto, Hive, Redshift. At the end, we'll have our analysts who predominantly then will access data at the endpoints of that. So it's the data engineers that work through, clean the data, enrich the data, and we have the analysts then accessing this data to SQL, Hive, Presto, Redshift, whatever it may be, to create playgrounds that they can then expose to the front line.
You guys definitely need to try our product, because I guarantee you we cut your time to insight in half.
All right.
Combine it even with your user logs. We'll maybe show you later.